Hello, my name is Michael Story and I am the Tech Support Specialist for Newcastle Systems. I'm going to be speaking with you today about how to install a battery on your mobile workstation. First thing you want to be sure of is you want to remove any jewelry or anything and use insulated tools. That's kind of the most important thing, as you do not want to short circuit the positive and the negative terminals with anything metal. So per our manual, tools required for the replacement of the battery would be one 10mm open end or socket wrench, or what we're going to be using today is a adjustable wrench. So in order to access your batteries are going to be in this box at the bottom of your mobile workstation. In order to get to the battery box, you've got 4 thumb screws on the side. You want to undo those, make sure they're not all the way out, but out enough where you can just pull the battery top straight off the top of the battery box. Lay that to the side. So when you open your new battery box, you'll open everything. Middle hole here is going to be your hardware. This is the battery hardware for your connections. Keep that to the side or in a handy place. Your battery does have 2 handles to help you get this out of the box. It is rather heavy. Remember to always use your legs. So when you get the battery out of the box, you want to get it set up where your positive terminal is, when you put the battery in the battery box, your positive terminal is closest to the inverter. All right, once you get the top off the battery box, you'll see everything. You've got your inverter, you've got your black negative wire, you've got your meter wire, you'll have 1 positive wire for 1 battery system, 2 positive wires for 2 battery system, and then your battery. So what you want to make sure to do is you want to make sure everything's out of the way, including your battery strap. So good idea, take your battery strap here, place it over the side, so when you put your new battery in, everything's out of the way and you can easily strap your battery up like so. Again, using your legs, place the battery in. First things first, safety. Strap your battery. Pull your cord tight. Okay, so per your manual, there is a special order to tightening down the batteries. You've got your bolt, you've got your lock washer, and then a flat washer. Bolt, lock washer, flat washer. So with your washers, again, lock washer, flat washer, and bolt. Take your positive wire and connect your positive terminal like so. You can tighten it down. So once this is tightened, you want to take the red boot and put it over your positive terminal. Opening the second battery, you're again going to want to orientate the battery so that first things first, you want your hardware off to the side in a handy place. Take your packing material out of the top, orientate the battery so that the positive lead is going to be closest to the inverter, and also keep your jumper wire handy for your negative terminals. But before even doing any of that, you want to make sure your positive line and your straps are cleared, so when you place your battery in, the battery isn't sat on anything or crimp anything for connection purposes. Again, using your legs and not your back. Get your straps, lift your battery out of the box. Place it in the box gently, making sure nothing is crimped underneath, like so. First things first, strap your battery in, making sure it's nice and tight. Put your positive wire out. Your positive wire is going to be placed on the positive terminal. All right, again, for your hardware, you've got your bolt, you've got your lock washer, and your flat washer that you place on the bolt like so. So now we're going to connect our positive wire Remember, positive to positive, negative to negative, just like a car battery. And you want to take your boot that's on the positive wire and cover the terminal like so. All right, so the next terminal we're going to connect is our negative terminal with a 2-battery system. It does come with a jumper cable, which is included in the mobile workstation. It's kind of U-shaped. So you're going to connect all 3 wires. Again, the spark does happen because it just means you're completing the circuit. Okay, your second negative terminal, again, lock washer, flat washer. So all we need to do at this point is place our battery cover back on. Tighten our thumb screws. And we're good to go. So now you want to turn your mobile workstation on. Press and hold the power button. 13 volts on the battery. Your meter will show the battery should be full. And then you want to make sure your power strip is in the on position with the light on.